My friends, now is indeed a very challenging time. Indeed, hardships and difficulties came. But I want to tell you that there is a future, and there is a future for everyone. Now is very important, work on yourself. Now it is very important to understand your true divine nature. And it is very important to start discovering this energy nature. I want you to believe that you are indeed created in the image and likeness of the Creator. And within each of you there is the greatest power, the greatest hidden abilities. You just need to open them and direct them to the creation of your life and the life around you, life in the whole world. You can do everything. Take away the fears. Don't allow the fears in yourself. As soon as they appear in your mind, in your soul, immediately find the strength in yourself to stop the fear. Look at the foliage of trees, golden or green. Look at the beautiful grass, garden, nature, or at the snow on the trees and the snowflakes that fly and delight the life of every person with their coolness. My friends, try to see in life, in nature, the good, the beautiful, the pleasant, to feel only pure and creative emotions. Believe only in the best, and you will live further, you will be saved. And I will do everything so that the world will pass these hardships and continue its stage of the greatest evolution of life.